Good afternoon, students. Just wait for 2 minutes.
But the problem is reversible.
Yeah, other students, in the last class we are already discussed about that our whatever the problematic part it is there on a level 2 for a freely falling body purpose. Now we are going to continue that as the same session. Yeah. Yeah, we already completed. There is up to the question number 9 we are completed. Yes. Now we are going to discuss about the 10th question in the page number 76. Question number 10 here. In an experiment, a heavy ball takes a time t seconds to reach the ground. When it reaches the top of a leaning tower of Pisa, height h meters, what will be the position of the ball at t by 3 after the release of from the top of the tower? It is also completed. Now, there is answer we have considered here. Now, there is a next component that is level number level 3. Sorry, level 3. The questions we are going to the level 3. Question number 1 here from the level 3. Now, 11 it is the question number 11. A common and a block of iron dropped from the same height at the same time. Which one of the will first reach the ground? Okay. Yes, the block of iron will reach the ground at first. You know very well. There is already we have discussed both are reached at the same time. The 11th answer is C. Okay, why? Because G is equal to small g is equal to G N by R square. Yes, got it or not? Yes, that is why it is not depending on the mass of the body. Next, 12th one. Yes, 12th question. To estimate the height of a bridge over a river, a stone in the drop of freely in the river from the bridge. The stone takes 2 seconds to touch the water surface in the river. The height of the bridge from the water level is, okay, what is the height of the bridge at the water level is? Estimate the height of a bridge over a river is shown in the drop of freely in the river from the bridge. The stone takes 2 seconds to touch the water surface in the river. The height of the bridge from the water level is what? Here G value you have to take a 9.8 meter per second, and they given the what? Yes, the stone take 2 seconds to touch. The maximum height they given is h max is equal to taken as u square by 2g. Okay, now we have to find out here this one. Directly we not have a u value. And the next what we are taking here, one more formula here. We have to go with that, but h is equal to half dt square. That is also maybe considered. Yes, the formula we are taken h is equal to half dt square. Okay, now yes, this formula is enough for us. The next what it become now? Yes, h is equal to take an half into what is the g value? 9.8 into what is the t value you are given? 2 square it is given. Now h is equal to take an half into 9.8 into 2 into 2. The 2 cancel get each other. Yes, 9.8 into 2. Then h is equal to become what now? 9.8 into 2 means what? 19.6 meters. The answer is become 19.6 meter. The answer is A. The formula, don't use this one. They given the t value na. That's why the answer is become A now. Okay now. Yes. Solution is this one. This is the 12th answer. Now we go for a 13th one. What is the 13th answer? Let's check it here. Take the uniform acceleration near the surface of the earth to be 9.8 meters per second square for a free fall. What is the velocity of your body at the end of a 2 seconds of a free fall if the initial velocity is the 0? Okay, now all the students listen carefully. Take a uniform acceleration near the surface of the earth to be 9.8 meters per second square. Be freely fall. It is a freely falling body. The velocity of the body at the end for 2 seconds of freely fall. What is the initial velocity? If the initial velocity is a 0. Okay, now what we have to require here? What is the velocity of the body is required when it is reaches to the where it will be reaches? It is reaches to the at the down. Okay, now at that time, what is its velocity? You know very well. Formula is taken as v is equal to under root 2g h here. Okay, clear or not here? The h value they given? No, not the given h value. Understood or not, the students? The given in the h value, not a given, just the given uniform acceleration. The g is equal to given here 9.8. Okay, clear or not, the students? One more thing, what they given? One more thing, they given what t is equal to also given. Yes, and it is the 2 seconds of fall. Then the 2 seconds they given. Clear or not, all students? Now what we require, the v values are required. Simply, it is also written as v is equal to under root 2g. Okay, now write the formula. H is equal to what we have here? H is equal to here half dt square. Written here or not it is? Of dt square. Now v is equal to we taken as half dt square here in the formula only. Okay, now under root of 2g. The 2 cancel get each other. Now there is a g square and as well as the t square will be get. Okay, clear or not also? Now v is equal to taken as under root of g square t square. That is the become what? Yes, it is also written as gt or not? It is also written as gt. Why? Because g whole square under root of g whole square cancel get each other. V is equal to become g into t. Okay, clear or not? Now V is equal to what is the V value? 9.8. What is the okay now? Yes, T value. What is the T value? 2 seconds. That is the answer is become what? 9.6 meter per second. This is only the answer for the velocity of the body when it is touch the earth. Okay, clear or not all this? These are the formulas. Directly you don't try to again find the t value and substitute here. You have to take a formula in the form. Finally, the formula only you are find for the given as whatever the data. Here in the data they not given actually the formula is like this. But you know very well h value is equal to half into gt square. Don't find h value for a t value. Okay, na? Again and again, don't do the problems. Okay, na? Just finally, what the formula is required. It will be used for you. How it will be used for you? When they given a time. Okay, na? Acceleration due to gravity and another time. Okay, na? At that time, how to find out the velocity of the body when it reaches to the earth? The formula for it is what? P is equal to gt simple. Okay, now this is also implies the formula for a V is equal to GT. When they given, okay, now only the time for us. Okay, yes, and do that. Copy it. All the students copy it fast. 12th and 13th problems. Yeah, next two important questions are there after this. 14th question and 15th question. Yeah, all the students listen carefully. There is a how far a stone shall fall in a 1 second released from the rest. Okay, now there is a what in a 1 second how far distance it travel. It is u is equal to 0. Okay, after 1 second where it will be reaches. Okay, now the chalk piece is a fall from here. After the 1 second where how much distance it's a travel. That is only the formula here we required and other the problem is required. Simple thing only. Okay, now yes, again the same formula h is equal to dt square. This is only the formula. How much distance is a travel when in a 1 second. Okay, clear or not? When we drop to one body, yes, in a 1 second, how much distance it's a travel here? Okay, now h is equal to half dt square here. Here, what is the t? 1 second. Yes, what is the g? G is a 9.8 meters per second square. Okay, clear or not, all the students? H is equal to taken as half into yes 9.8 into okay now 1 square it is. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Now there it is a what h is equal to 9.8 by 2. It will become what 4.9 meters. Okay, clear or not, all the students? How much distance is the travel? 4.9 9 meters only it will be traveled. The answer is A. The given answer is A. Any doubt in this? Simple thing only. Okay, na? Yes, after 1 second, after 2 seconds, after 2 by 3 seconds, after 5 seconds, where it will be? Okay, how much distance it's a travel? Okay, got it. That also we are may calculated by this formula. Okay, understood or not, all the students? Yeah. Next, after this, there is a 15th problem. Yeah, it is utilized as a formula for us. 15th question, whatever there. Yes, further may it will be also utilized as a formula. Okay, one second. We also utilized as a formula for us. Now, what is that? Next, 15th question. A body from a height h falls freely under the gravity, yes, and reaches the ground. The time it takes to reach the ground is what actually? The given what? A body from the height h falls here. Now that it will be fall from a, what is the height here? The height is h here. Okay, got it or not? How much height? H here. Far freely fall under the gravity, reaches the ground. Okay, the time it takes to reach the ground is how much here? What is required? Time is required. Okay, what is the formula? Only on a single formula, all the problems. H is equal to half dt squared. From that one, okay, now you get the time t also. Here, okay, it is also written as 2h is equal to gt square or not? Okay, now it gives what 2h is equal to, yes, gt square. Now t square is equal to also written as from this 2h by g. Here are not all the students. Now the t is equal to what it will become? Under root 2h by g. Got it? This is only the answer for us. Answer is 15th question. Answer is C. Yes, please note down these two problems. With this, level 3 questions are also completed. Yes. Next, there is a ABG advanced based questions are there. Okay, now yes, all the students, there is this formula is a given. How many formulas for us now? 3 formulas are given. Okay, clear or not, all the students? There is a one is V is equal to GT is given. Another one is T is equal to under root H by 2H by G. It is also one more formula. You collect the formulas. The mathematical calculations and mathematical applications are very easy. Yes, but formulas are important. This formula utilized for us how? Okay, now how it is utilized for us? It is utilized for us when we are taken it is as a when we are taken it is as h value and as well as the g value when they given somewhat a height and as well as the acceleration due to gravity. Okay, now how much time to travel that height, it is also given. Okay, you want to travel from a mountain to some particular place. Yes, in case the parachute we are taken it is, okay, now how much distance we travel in this particular second. Okay, clear or not, all of you? We know very well. Okay, now somewhat it is a 100 meters of height where we are remove our where we are open our parachute. Okay, if your parachute is not opened up to the last moment, okay, na, it will be broken. Na. Yes, otherwise one body is there, some particular height, it may fall down. And at what position it will be at what time? Okay, na. Yes, in a what distance it will be traveled in a what time? That will be also come from this particular formula only. Okay, clear or not, all of you? For a freely falling body purpose, this formula is utilized in this particular way. Okay, next we are going to discuss next concept. In that there is a level 2 already completed. The level 2 already completed it is. Now there is advanced the advanced practice sheet it is there. Okay, one second. In the first question, the section and reasoning page it is there. Section and reasoning it is there. One second. The distance traveled by freely falling body is proportional to the square of the time of fall. Okay, now what is the square of the time of fall here? Yes, and the body falling freely, moving with a constant velocity. There is a two things are given. One is assertion and another one is the reason. The distance traveled by the freely falling body is proportional to the square of the time of fall. Okay, and as well as the body freely falling moves with a constant velocity. There is not a problem. The second reason is not a problem. Once again, check it is a assertion. The distance traveled by the freely falling body is a proportional to the square of the time of fall. It is a correct or not? How we check it here? Yes, assertion. It is a correct or not? The first problem purpose. H is equal to S half dt square. This is a called assertion. H is directly proportional to t square. Okay, got it or not? H is directly proportional to t square. Written or not it is. Why? Because G is the constant here. G is the constant only here. Got it or not? S and half it is a numerical value. Not a problem it is. That is a directly proportional to the square of the time. There is no doubt at all. And moreover, a body falling freely moves with a constant velocity. Okay, now clear or not, all the students? There is this is a correct only, but it is not getting explanation from where, from assertion. The reason is the correct and as well as the assertion is also correct only, but the reason is not a correct explanation of the assertion. Okay, clear or not, all the students? That is not explained about what here? Assertion. It is the acceleration due to gravity, it is a constant here. Okay, clear or not? About acceleration, they not have mentioned in our reason. Okay, now that is why it is not a correct thing. Now, answer is B. Ninth one answer is B. Sorry, the first question in this answer is B. Got it? Yeah. Next, second question. Linked type, comprehensive type questions are there. When a body is dropped freely, its a velocity. What happens? Its a velocity increases, okay, na, or decreases. What happens? Yes, when the body is dropped freely, its a velocity. What happens? Okay, na, a body released from the top of a tower h, a meter high. It takes t seconds to reach the ground. Where is the body t by 2 seconds after releases? Okay, a body released from the top of the tower height h. It takes a t seconds to reach the ground. Okay, where is the body after the t by 2 seconds after releases it here? Where it is actually? Okay, clear or not, all the students? Yes, and now already we are discussed about this. That we have to find after t seconds. After t second, where it will be. Okay, one second. The problem is taken as h is equal to half dt square. This is only the, yes, actually the formula is given. It will be taken as what, a capital H. Okay, in case it is after t by 2, t by 2 seconds. Now h is the become what? In the place of t, you have to substitute the t by 2 here. What happened here? Now there it will be whole square, na? It will become half into g into t square by 4. Okay, clear or not, all the students? What it is? T square by 4. Now it is a become what now? H is equal to, at half second, t by 2 seconds. It is also written as dt square by 8. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Dt square by 8. Okay, now yes. Now it is a what actually, as a t by 2. We written here half dt square, yes, by 4. Returnable or not it is? Returnable or not it is? This value is written as half dt square by 4. Okay, now what is half dt square here? H. Okay, now then h t by 2 is equal to what? H by 4. That is only the answer here. Okay, once check it here. That answer is B. Yes. That second question answer is what, Nana? Second question answer is also B only. Please note down it. Please note down it. Actually, the given value is a what? H. The traveling distance total is how much? We taken as a capital H. As after half seconds, H it is at what? T by 2 seconds. T by 2 seconds, it will become what? It will become what? Here, H by 4. Okay. Once note of this. Yes, next, third question. What is the third question? To estimate the height of a bridge over a river, a stone dropped freely in the river from the bridge. The stone take a 2 seconds to touch the water surface in the river. The height of the bridge from the water level. Okay, simple thing only. They given already time, they given t is given as a 2 seconds. Okay, now what they are? The bridge height here. Okay, now this is the bridge here. This is the river here. Now there is a one small stone in the fall from here to here. When it is after the 2 seconds, where it will be? That is only they given. It is a reaches after 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, this stone is reaches to the river. Okay, now what is the height of the bridge from the river? Okay, this is the how to find out what is the h value. Okay, clear or not all the students? Simple thing, this question also already they are completed here. The same manner of dt square only. H is equal to of dt square. All the problems maximum they are solved from this one only of dt square. Yes, h is equal to here what it is half into. Okay, now what is the g? 9.8 into t square. Yes, 2. This already we solved this problem before that. Half into 9.8 into 2 into 2. Okay, 1, 2 to cancel get each other. H is equal to take as 19.6 meters. Okay, clear or not? The height of that particular, yes, our bridge is how much? 9.6 meters. 19.6 meters. Got it? I hope you got it. It is. Next, after the fourth question. That is what fourth IIT that advanced basis questions is given. A body falling from the rest. It's a very important. A body falling from the rest. Describe the distances S1, S2, and S3 in the first, second, and third seconds of its fall. The ratio is S1 is to S2 is to S3. Yeah, simply what they given H first second, second second, third second. The ratio is what actually. Once the body is started from here, okay, this is maybe total height. Okay, now after some time, after first second, what the distance it travel? After the second, what the distance it travel? After the third second, what the distance it travel? Okay, now yes, suppose we taken for H1, it will be taken as a S1. H2, it will be taken as a S2. H3, it will be taken as a S3. Okay, clear or not all the students? Now we require to find S1 is 2, S2 is 2, S3. Yes, what it is? Okay, clear or not? This is the what? The distance here from here, S1. From here to here, the distance is S2. Here to here, the distance is S3. What is the ratios of this? Third seconds may not reach it is ground. Okay, now may it will be moves further also. We don't know. Okay, now, but what is the ratios are there? How do we follow? Yeah, you have to first find the H1, then next find out H2, next to find out H3. Then after you take the ratio. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yeah. What is that? I am taking H1 is equal to half into G into 1 square it is. That is become what? G by 2. Okay, clear or not all the students? Simply it is a G by 2. Now H2 is equal to what I am taking here half into G into 2 square. Now it is a become what? 4G by 2. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, 2 square is a 4 or not? 4G by 2. Now this one and this one cancel. What is this? 2G. Got it or not? In the terms of G will be get first. And now there is a what is the H3 here? H3 is equal to take an as half into G into 3 square. It is a become 9G by 2. Okay, clear or not all the students? There is a third second capacity. Now we get the ratio. What is the ratio? One check it. What is the ratio of it? Yes, that is only what? S1 it is. H1 is equal to what? S1. S1 is equal to how much here? G by 2. Next, S2 is equal to how much here? 2G. Next, S3 is equal to how much here? Yes, 9 into G by 2. Got it? 9 into G by 2. Okay? And here it is also written as, otherwise for our easy purpose, we are taking it is about not as a like this. Why? Because everything is in a G by 2 term. Na? Okay, na? That is why we are also taking it is a 4G by 2 only. Okay, it's easily get according to our answer. Okay, it is a 4G by 2. That is actually 2G only, but we written that is the terms of G by 2. Why? Because 9G by 2 is there. Now S1 is 2, S2 is 2, S3. It is a what is the become now? Once again, G by 2 is 2, 4G by 2 is 2. Yes, 9G by 2. Got it or not? I hope you got it here. What it is a become now? G by 2 is a common or not in everything? Then it is written as S1 is 2, S2 is 2, S3 is written as okay 1 G by 2, and it is a 4 is to what 9. This is only the answer. The answer is for us what it is D. Okay, the question 4 answer is D. Okay, 1 is to 4 is to G. Okay, clear? Sorry, 9. 1 is to 4 is to 9 here. Got it or not, all the students? I hope you got it. It is yes. Please note down. Very important question. Okay, now first, second, third, second. Okay, now the ratio is become 1 is to 4 is to 9. In case you know for a first, second, what is the distance it's travel? Okay, now automatically you know for a fourth second also multiplied with the 4. In case if taken for it is a 9. Okay, now yes, and in case it is a for a fourth second, 16. Okay, clear or not? Simply 16 G by 2. Okay, G into 4 whole square by 2. Make it. This is the fourth question. Yeah, students, tomorrow we'll go with the fifth, sixth, and seventh question also. Yes, the last one is the math of following. Once you complete it, seventh question and the eighth question, if possible, you complete. Seventh question is the equation of motion under the gravity, equation of motion for a freely falling body. Yes, equation of motion for a projectile vertically or downwards body. Like that they given distance traveled in a nth second for a body. Yes, these are the given here. Once you match it, and the remaining things we are going to discuss tomorrow, whatever they given. Yes, and as well as whatever the problems are there in the next question, that is the projectile body purpose. Till now we are completed for freely falling now, and next we are doing the projectile body, and with that our second unit totally completed. Okay, now all the 6 lessons are made completed in that one-dimensional motion totally made completed. Yes, once complete the question. Thank you, students. You have any doubts? In this regard of there is a whatever we have completed today 9 problems. In this one, any doubt? From any branch? Yes, thank you.